Hello everyone, please welcome and join me in Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a halwa recipe, and it's very tasty and very delicious. And I'm going to make a halwa with coconut powder, Sooji, semolina, superfine almond flour, each one of them quarter cup, 1/3 cup sugar. To garnish our halwa, we're going to use some sliced almond, quarter teaspoon cardamom powder, ilachi. This is strictly optional. I'm going to use egg yellow color, 2 cup regular milk, desi ghee, 2 tablespoons. And let's get started. Get a fry pan, and I'm going to start gas, and we're going to keep the gas on high. First we're going to bring desi ghee, 2 tablespoons, 1 and 2. As the ghee started to melt, we'll bring Suji, semolina. Mix it, and we're going to cook it well. As the pan is really heat up, and now the temperature, we're going to bring it on medium. We're going to cook semolina, Suji on medium flame. You don't want to cook on a high flame, it's going to get burned real fast. So this is a perfect cooking for 1 minute on medium flame. And now we're going to bring superfine almond flour. Mix it well, and we're going to cook along with Suji for 1 more minute. Another minute of cooking almond flour along with the semolina. Now we're going to bring a coconut. Mix it well. Cooking for half minute, it start to smell really nice and also start to change color. So it's about 40 seconds we cooked it, and now I'm going to bring sugar. Mix it well. The sugar is nicely dissolved, and now we're going to bring milk. We're going to mix it well. Now I'm going to bring the food color. I'm going to use a knife. And when we say pinch, just a very little. That's it. We don't need too much. And I will bring also the cardamom powder. And now we're going to mix it. It's going to give us a nice color to our halwa. After mixing it well, now we're going to bring our gas on high, and we're going to bring it to boil. Once it's going to start to boil, then we're going to bring our gas to medium again, and keep stirring so it won't get burned at bottom. As the milk started to boil, that keep stirring, and now it's the time to bring our temperature to medium again. And we're going to keep stirring and keep cooking until it thickens. So on medium gas, keep stirring. And this is so easy to make, please try it. If you notice that when I'm going to move around and it's not sticking anymore at the bottom, and our halwa is fully and nicely cooked, and I'm going to dish out. So I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving platter ready. This is my way of cooking. I'll bring everything just like that. Wow, it looks so beautiful. And we're going to garnish with almonds. Wow, this looks so delicious. Our quick and easy coconut Sooji Badam Halwa is all ready. Please try it, and it's very tasty and very delicious and very easy to make. I hope you like this recipe, and if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.